Last week, a chartered accountant visited one of Gurgaon's finest branded residences. Sharp man, successful practice. He found the balcony had wasted space. The lobby marble could have been better. Column placement, maintenance loading. He found 11 issues. He is absolutely right about all 11. And he will never buy a home. आज मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्यों, और अगर आप भी एनालिसिस में अटके हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. So here's what nobody tells analytical buyers. You are asking the wrong question. The question is not, does this apartment have flaws? Every apartment on this planet has flaws. 20 करोड़ का हो या 2 करोड़ का, हर घर में कमियां होती हैं क्योंकि हर घर इंसान ने बनाया है. The right question is, which flaws matter for my family, for my use, for my exit, and which flaws am I using as an excuse not to decide? Now I will say something you don't expect from a property advisor. I love analytical buyers. The CA who checks everything is a better client than the man who buys on the sales gallery's mood lighting. Analysis is not the problem. Unstructured analysis is the problem, because unstructured analysis has no finish line. It just finds the next flaw and the next forever. In my 3 decades of building businesses, I have learned this. A decision framework has maybe 5 questions. A perfectionist has 500. 5 सवाल डिसीजन देते हैं, 500 सवाल सिर्फ बहाने देते हैं. So here is a structure. When we evaluate any luxury home, flaws go into 3 buckets. Bucket 1, deal breakers, title issues, structural problems, a view that will be blocked, a layout your family can't live with. These kill the deal rightly. Bucket 2, negotiation points, dated finishes, an inefficient corner, the wasted balcony my CA friend found. These don't kill the deal. ये प्राइस की बातचीत का हिस्सा है. You don't reject the apartment, you adjust the number. Bucket 3, noise. The flaws that neither affect your living nor your exit. The lobby marble, let them go. The tragedy of the perfectionist buyer is that he treats all 3 buckets as bucket 1. So he rejects everything and then watches the flawed apartment he rejected appreciate for 5 years while his money waited for perfection. देखिए, परफेक्ट घर का इंतज़ार सबसे महंगा घर होता है क्योंकि उसका किराया आपका वक्त है. If you are an analytical buyer, don't change your nature, change your framework. Bring your 11 issues. We will sort them into 3 buckets together, and you will discover most of them were bucket 2 and 3 all along. But if you are waiting for the apartment with 0 flaws, I will say it with respect. You are not evaluating properties anymore. You are avoiding a decision and calling it diligence. My view, plainly, in luxury real estate, the winners are not the buyers who found flawless homes. No such buyer exists. The winners are the ones who knew which flaws mattered, priced the rest, and decided. सही घर वो नहीं जिसमें कमी नहीं, सही घर वो है जिसमें कमियां आपके लिए मायने नहीं रखती. If you have visited 5 projects and rejected all 5, the problem may not be the projects. WhatsApp me one word, buy, with what you are looking for. We will build your 3 buckets and turn your analysis into a decision. That's the job.